My name is Grace. We're from Philippines. The most important factor is not about the school. Ang importante, malayang pumili ng eskwelahan ang mga anak ko na papasukan nila. Actually, I heard about Raffles mula sa mga anak ko. Dahil nung magsimula kaming magplano na pumunta sa Malaysia, nag-search na sila. And that's Raffles. My first impression about the Raffles, nakita ko ang mga anak ko kung paano sila ka-excited at masaya. At nung sinumulan ng i-assist kami na i-tour ang mga staff is we feel at home.
My name is Vincent and I'm currently in grade 12. The one thing I love about Raffles is its supportive community because it really pushes me towards my goals and help me excel in different skills. My most memorable experience was my trip to Kota Kinabalu with my friends during our senior trip because it helped me strengthen our relationship together and create meaningful memories. Raffles taught me that there should always be a balance in our social life and academics because creating meaningful friendships will last you a lifetime.
Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm currently in grade 11. What I like most about Raffles American School is that it encourages you to be more confident and active, not just academically, but also in the environment and community. One of the most memorable moments in Raffles American School would be the basketball game between the teachers and students because it brought back memories from my home country, the Philippines, where basketball is a really big part of our culture. Raffles American School helped boost my confidence even more. It helped me step out of my comfort zone and try new things that I may not have considered before.
Mula nung pumasok sila sa Raffles, nakita ko ang mga anak ko kung paano sila lumalaki na nagiging confident. At lalo na, alam na nila kung anong meaning ng oras, na hindi ko na kailangan i-remind pa sila, lalo na at ako'y nagtatrabaho lagi sa ibang bansa. Raffles, for me, is a second home. Dahil ako ay isang magulang na nagtatrabaho lagi sa ibang bansa. Kampante ako habang nasa ibang bansa ako dahil ang Raffles, lagi akong ini-inform kung anong progress na nangyayari sa mga anak ko. The moment I said yes, nung makita ko mga anak ko na masaya, kasi bilang magulang, ang kagustuhan lang naman natin ay makita ang mga anak natin ay masaya at gusto nila yung lugar kung saan sila ngayon. Most important, masaya sila na pumapasok sa school.